សួស្តីខ្ញុំបាទសំអាតដារវុធសូមជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនជនរួមជាតិពីចម្ងាយ Hello, how are you everyone? My name is Mr. Samuel Darwood, and today I would like to give some suggestion react to the CNA broadcasting for 4 days already, but simply like relating to the Cambodian and Thai border conflict. First, let me give you the history briefly with the Cambodian and Thai. As originally, Cambodian is a Khmer Empire, and the world well known that Khmer Empire. Angkor Wat Temple is a symbol of our flag of the Kingdom of Cambodia, and the Angkor Wat is the World Heritage Site as well. So, beginning with the history of the Siamese. Siamese is a Thai ethnicity from Yunnan, China. So, no question asked about which area belong to Thai today, belong to Cambodia. And then therefore, they try to do self-proclaim from time to time that existing area belong to them. Based on the original history of it, Khun Pham Mueang is their original Thai and created state called Sok Khao Tey. Sok Khao Tey is a Khmer name. During the Cambodian-Thai border conflict, Thai self-proclaimed at all time that the temple Prasat Tamon, Thom Tamon Tot, Ta Krabai, Mumbai belong to them. And that is not true because of even the name of it is owned originally by the Khmer. Siamese of Thai today don't have the word Tamon Thom. So Tamon Thom is a Khmer word. So no question asked, but they still try to nurturing aggression to Cambodian to grab more land. Basically, the 37 provinces that the Thai have stolen from us, which means Khmer Surin in Surin province is a Cambodian land. The Khmer people living there. Long periods of time, the Thai persuade those people to support their king. The king is a Thai people. It's not the king from somewhere else originally in that area. It's from the Thai. So then therefore, those are Cambodian soldiers, even though they claim that they're not a Cambodian. We don't worry about it, but their great-grandparents, the people living there, they still Khmer, they talk Khmer, talk in the Khmer language. Even them, they come and talk to the Cambodian soldier in Khmer. So that is the problem exists because of Thailand is the people or the country never keep their promise. Then therefore, this country that get involved with those Thai, because they lie to them too much, then those people, including Singapore, Hong Kong, Malay, create that phrase, don't tie to me. That's originally from those areas. I would suggest that CNA, as a good broadcasting, independently based in Singapore, should get a better collecting any of the information regarding the border Cambodia-Thai conflict. If you only talk to the person live in Thailand, and also you are based, broadcast from them as well, then you don't have a real information. Of course, people try to defend themselves whatever till they die, but the truth of reality is still remain the same. Why Thai soldier get onto the mine at the first place? Their country, their border is absolutely never ever have any landmine plant in there because their territory. But when they step into Cambodian territory, Then therefore, they got a mind burst or blow up because of the they aggressive into Cambodian sovereignty. From now on, I would suggest that all those Thai soldiers, especially all the new all over the world, should tell the Thai, do not cross the border to Cambodian sovereignty to avoid a problem with a mine issue. All those mines along the border inside the Cambodian sovereignty, they were planned long time ago during the Civil War. You could check the history of it. The world history have well known that the Cambodian land have planned a lot of mines during the Civil War. So not Thailand. So whenever they invade Cambodia, they walk into the Cambodian sovereignty, they got problem with the landmine since the beginning of the statement. We are not worried with about Thailand, Siamese. They still have anything remain Siamese. Those people still have the documented with the Khmer script. Tell them, if they do not know or they ignore that, then therefore they got into the landmine of the Cambodian sovereignty. Remember this. If you stay in your country, you never ever have any issue with the landmine in our country, between Cambodian sovereignty. To avoid lost your leg, lost your life, Thailand, Siamese, king of Thailand, don't step into Cambodian sovereignty. That's my advice to you. Get to that for suggestion to the CNA. Please get the real story, get the real problem from the both sides about the Cambodia-Thai border conflict. I repeatedly, again and again, please advise to those king of Thailand, Thai Prime Minister Anutin Virakul. You just have only short term with the 4-month period. You're gonna be not exist, maybe, probably is. I don't mind. You, please, educate your people. Educate your soldier. Do not step into Cambodian sovereignty if you don't want to lose your life or legs. If you dare to step into Cambodian sovereignty and you got killed, and don't blame Cambodian government. We are not guaranteed for you to get into the landmine. You know that. There are several years civil wars of Cambodia. We live and learn facing to that issue. We don't want any more war. But I believe that Thai king, Thai government, Thai soldier that I named them originally as Siamese soldier or called Siam in the Khmer short. That is a thief. I say this, if you want to know furthermore are you thief or not and get into the history. You know, ask your king. That new king here doesn't know probably. He's 70 something. Ask the king that who passed away, which means documented, that they stole from Cambodia. Even the stone inscription in each temple, in Prasat Snokkathom that belong to Cambodia. They stole the stone inscription from that Prasat Snokkathom. Now located, they claim, due to their own map in Srahkau, but originally in Cambodia.
លើទស្សនវិជ្ជាច្បាប់ de jure កម្ពុជាមានឯកសារប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រគ្រប់គ្រាន់ដែលទទួលស្គាល់ជាលក្ខណៈអន្តរជាតិផែនទីនេះផ្អែកលើផែនទីអន្តរជាតិដែលមានបន្ទាត់ព្រំដែនពណ៌ក្រហមខណ្ឌចែករវាងកម្ពុជានិងថៃហើយប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនតូចនិងប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនធំនិងប្រាសាទតាក្របីស្ថិតនៅក្នុងទឹកដីកម្ពុជាហើយផែនទីពណ៌លឿងនេះគឺជាប្លង់ទីតាំងបង្គោលទី23 ដែលផលិតដោយក្រុមបច្ចេកទេសចម្រុះនៃគណៈកម្មាធិការកំណត់ព្រំដែនរវាងឥណ្ឌូចិននិងសៀមបញ្ជាក់យ៉ាងច្បាស់ជាទីតាំងឋានដេខាប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនតូចនិងប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនធំស្ថិតនៅក្នុងទឹកដីកម្ពុជាប្រៀបធៀបទៅនឹងខ្សែបន្ទាត់ព្រំដែន
Nous avons basé sur les documents juridiques suivants. C'est-à-dire tout d'abord, si on voit la carte,
យើងពឹងផ្អែកទៅលើឯកសារគតិយុត្តដូចតទៅជាដំបូងសូមពិនិត្យផែនទីនេះដោយផ្អែកលើផែនទីអន្តរជាតិផែនទីនេះជាលទ្ធផលការងាររបស់គណៈកម្មការកំណត់ព្រំដែនរវាងឥណ្ឌូចិននិងសៀមតាំងពីឆ្នាំ1908ហើយប្រទេសថៃខ្លួនឯងបានទទួលស្គាល់ហើយផែនទីនេះបង្ហាញយ៉ាងច្បាស់ថាប្រាសាទទាំង3ស្ថិតនៅយ៉ាងពិតប្រាកដនៅក្នុងទឹកដីនិងអធិបតេយ្យភាពរបស់យើង
notre souveraineté. Si on voit quand même les
ក្រៅ
travaux
ពីនេះ
d'abonnement,
បើពិនិត្យមើលប្លង់នេះដែលផលិតដោយគណៈកម្មការព្រំដែនបារាំងសៀមដែលបានផលិតកាលពីថ្ងៃទី30ខែធ្នូឆ្នាំ1908យើងឃើញច្បាស់ថានេះជាបន្ទាត់ព្រំដែនហើយចំណុចចុចពណ៌ក្រហមនេះប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនតូចនិងប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនធំគឺមានទីតាំងស្ថិតនៅក្នុងទឹកដីរបស់យើងក្រោមអធិបតេយ្យភាពរបស់យើងដូច្នេះគឺច្បាស់លាស់ណាស់និងមិនអាចប្រកែកបានគឺប្រាសាទទាំង3ប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនតូចប្រាសាទតាម៉ុនធំនិងប្រាសាទតាក្របីជាកម្មសិទ្ធិរបស់យើងគឺជារបស់ព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជា
I'm telling you all this because I am very pleased to inform CNA as a new independently based in Singapore. When Thai say something, don't believe them. Tell them don't Thai to you. If Thai say something, don't trust them because they lie to you. Talk to any Cambodian, they speak the truth because they the victim. Cambodia is the victim country. And in order for you to be clear cut with those, please get to the real truth of the problem. Where are you going to get those? You have many people in Cambodia. You have many people living in United States like me. That I know all those because I learned my country history. And I respectful to what my ancestors have been built all the temples on South Asia. Many Cambodian temples in Thailand today because of they stole our country from the Khmer Empire. Now Khmer Empire down to a very small country called Kingdom of Cambodia. All Cambodian people who live there outside their country, live in Thailand, live in the South Vietnam, Cambodia Kram, live in Laos, live in the United States, live everywhere around the world. They know their history very much indeed. You can be trusted, not just only the person who talk like I talk to you. We have the reference documentation in stone inscription, in bas-relief, in any type of the form of the documentation have been produced by the French, by the United States. So it's a world history. It's not created by their own Cambodian people. So the world have well-known Cambodian because of they know that the Cambodian is a small country. Respect and greet to all people around the world to visit their country, to visit the ancient Angkor Wat Temple, Bayon Temple, Taprum Temple, Prahihir Temple, Prasat Tamon Tamon Thom, Prasat Takrabe Temple. You can go to visit all those sites. Those are belong to Cambodian. That the Siamese, if they real good people, they not gonna go to invade Cambodia. They not gonna have any issue with the Malay. They not gonna have any issue with the Laos or with the Myanmar. So this is the truth. I say this today. I would like to spread this to all the people around the world. Have to learn more about the Cambodia. You would love Cambodia very much because Cambodia country is the country respectful and respect to others, not like Thailand. So we different. Even though some of the provinces in Thailand today, the Khmer Saran call them that the Siem Saran. So when they call Siem Saran, those are Khmer that go brainwash work for the Tai Siam, King of Thailand today. So then therefore, the Khmer Saran live in Saran, called those are Siem Saran. So we are not respect those people, even though they speak Khmer to us, but they have no clue. Their brand have been washed and have no any identity as of the Khmer origin. They claim they are not Khmer. We are very happy. We bless you. But do not step into Cambodian sovereignty if you don't want to lose your life or your legs. Remember, get that, all those Siamese people. And don't blame, don't claim you are out of the history. You are out of the world civilization living in art. You are out of that. You cannot just only invade Cambodian non-stop. We will not let you do that. And don't play any tricks. Your trick have well known. Even the people around the world, they know you are the country. Not just you, the country. So you remember when we call the country, your king also being a liar as well. If you got mad, go to ask those people, why you say don't tie to me? They will explain to you. So respect yourself, respect your king. Then the world people love your king. King Tai of Thailand as well. If you don't want to hear those words, don't nurturing aggression to the Cambodian sovereignty. We have a small country as of now, very small. Please let us live happily, peacefully. Don't jealous. You took several of the temple, prasad, that in Thailand today. We just have a small part of the Khmer Empire, that's all. And don't change history. The world well known. You are like a frog living a small pot, doesn't know anything. Get out from that pot and just see the world and respect yourself, respect your king, and respect the boundary. And we are all the people of the world. Will respect everyone the same. Forget about it. For the time being of you, Prime Minister Anutin Virakul want to cancel or pause of the peace accord, or we call peace deal. Remember, your country have to head like a snake. Government civilian talk to Cambodian, talk to the Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, talk to President of the United States, Mr. Donald Trump. You agree to release our 18 soldiers illegally kidnapped from Cambodia. And then, respectfully with the border, peacefully, will monitor by AOT, Asian Observer Team. Those people, they know what Thai have been done, kill Cambodian civilian in Prichan village, Obichuan commune, Ochiruk district, Banti Minchey province, Kingdom of Cambodia. Prichan, Chokchei, both are the village that under the Cambodian sovereignty. So Siam folk never ever respect to any agreement, even though ceasefire agreement that hosted by the Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim in Malaysia on the 28th of July 2025 is the ceasefire agreement that have been respect for both parties. And right after that, those Siamese folk never ever respect the ceasefire agreement. They invade Cambodia. They send their troops. They use a slingshot to fight to Cambodia, and the Cambodian didn't respond to any of those childish behavior. They use any type of the problem to ignite, to create an issue in order for them to invade Cambodia. We are Cambodian people, respect to the ceasefire agreement, and we are not respond to those childish folk. Not only that, on the 26th October 2025, again in the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia host the peace deal that the President Trump present there as a witness of those two party, Cambodia and Thai, sign off the peace deal. Then therefore, we are happy. But in the opposite, in the contrary to the issue, those Siam folk try to get into Cambodian land to put or lay the barbed wire, the car tire, and they put the black cloth block, not allow us to see what they're gonna do. Anutun Chaibriakul return back to the Thailand. They have an issue with their people because they agreed to release 18 Cambodian soldiers back to Cambodia on the November the 12th, 2025. Then Anutun himself said that on any issue with the border, they give the green light to their soldier. How are we gonna respect Anutun as a prime minister, as a person that we should respect? Therefore, Thai never keep their promise. Because what I can say, those people, they have a lot of trick, and they thought that they're good. And so embarrassing. The people now, they know Thailand, where those Thai people come from. They know very much indeed. And as after CNA have asked the Thai folk on their platform, their panel to talk about the Trump, when the Chaibriakul allow those Siamese soldiers to intrude or not continue nurturing aggression to Cambodian sovereignty, then the President Trump, the administration, paused the talk about Thai and United States with the some type of the business that they want to deal with. So embracing to Anutun, to the Thai people, to the King of Thailand. Why President of the United States, Mr. Trump, paused those talks? Because the President Trump know exactly what the Thai have been done to Cambodian. They fired to the civilian in Prechan village, and they claim that those Cambodian soldiers fight their own people. This is not a kid flip and flop and talk. Remember that AOT, Asian Observer Team, they already document what was happened during that time, because AOT stationed there in and out from that village to observe. And especially Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim shown as a satellite capturing the activity of those Siamese invade Cambodian and fire to the civilian, because that area they own that land, therefore they have to stay there, watch those Thai, not allow them to come, because they know that if they allow them to come, they act like stupid. They grab it, they claim that it's a Thai sovereignty. It's not like 400 or 500 years ago. Siamese, you have learned a lot of lessons, but your country never ever escape from the problem. You create the problem. So your king of Thailand should tell you people, don't entering into Cambodian sovereignty. You will lose your leg and you will got killed because of the landmine for decades. I thank you so very much to the CNA broadcasting 4 days ago, talk about the Cambodian-Thai border conflict. And also, addition to that, with Donald Trump, pause any talk, any deal with the Thailand regarding any type of business or anything else, because of Donald Trump knowing that Thai people, Thai Prime Minister, called Siamese, called Siam thief, never ever change of their mind invading Cambodia. So then therefore, the consequences with Mr. Donald Trump, the President of the United States. I thank you so very much for your dedicated and give us a very quality of the control between those two countries, Cambodia and Thailand. Again, in addition to that, let me add to it. AOT, Malaysia, asked Thai side provide the proof of the video civilian, but those Thai scared to death. You can't escape that. You can't hide all those, but the truth of reality, it still remains in place. Again, my name is Samad Wood. I thank you for watching. ខ្ញុំបាទ Samad Wood សូមអរគុណ សូមជម្រាបលា Bye now.